Hello, today's topic is Revit user interface and navigation. Firstly, we need to download Autodesk Revit software application. I downloaded 2018. If we press on the icon of Revit, we find this page. We need to choose which template of Revit is going to be used. I am going to use architectural template. It is recommended to go to Manage to set the unit as per our preference. For example, I prefer meter instead of inches, and this applies for area, volume, and so on. Now we are able, for example, to create a wall as an element. Please note that the first interface appears called option bar, and this is its location. It is additional option appears when we are in the middle of creating an element like the wall. The other interface that we need to set is project browser. From view, we go to user interface and check the project browser interface. We can dock it anywhere we like. Project browser mainly shows all the views of our project, like floor plan, ceiling plan, views, and so on. Another important interface is called the properties, which is this one. Properties shows the information about selected element. Like when I select this wall, for example, it shows all the information relating to that wall. Or if I go to level 1 view, also properties shows all information about this level 1, for example. Moving to a view cube, when we go to the default 3D view, we see this interface called view cube.
The View Cube navigation tool provides visual feedback about the current model orientation and allows us to adjust the model. It allows us to switch between standard and isometric views of our model. I can easily switch between different views, as shown. For example, I would click on top, and then I will go back and restore my original 3D view by clicking on Home button. I am going to go to that corner, the back view, the bottom view. Then I can restore and define the Home original 3D view by clicking on Home button. The compass in the view cube is used to indicate the direction in which north is defined for the model. We can also click a cardinal direction letter on the compass to rotate the model. For instance, I can click on the east elevation or the north elevation, or the south elevation, and so on. I can also adjust manually the orientation of my view by pressing Shift and the middle button of my mouse, likewise. And also by scrolling the middle button of my mouse, I can zoom in and zoom out. In addition to that, I can move the view by pressing on the middle button of the mouse, this way.
The regular commands of any software and Revit exist in application button, like open, save as, and so on. But the main Revit commands exist in the contextual tab. Each contextual tab has its own ribbon. For example, if I press on View tab, its ribbon is totally different than the ribbon of Architectural tab. Let's move to the View control bar, which is located here. This includes level of detail, if it's coarse, medium, fine, or visual style, wireframe, hidden line, shaded, or if we need to create a shadow, or if we need to isolate some element or hide them.
Finally, the quick access bar. This is the most frequent used command, such as align dimension, default 3D view, create a section, and I would like to focus on close hidden window and switch windows. The first one displays all the views and windows in our Revit session, and we can switch between them. To view all of them at one time, we go to View and we go to Tile Windows.
To focus on one tile, press Maximize. And if we need to close that particular window, we close out from here, not from above, or else we are going to log out of our Revit session. We press Close Hidden Windows to keep only the current window and to close out the other windows.
We use this one. So, Close Hidden Windows means that we no longer have the other hidden windows opened. By this, we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.